So, is chasing platinum perks on a Carnival Cruise Line really worth it? Well, let's really find out. Let's rock.
First, let's talk about Carnival's loyalty program. Now, it's pretty darn hard to say. It's called the VIFP Club. Now, say that 5 times fast without spitting or stuttering.
VIFP, 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 VIFP. You can't do it.
I can't even do it 2 times without spitting. This loyalty program is free to join, and how you gain loyalty points is for every day that you cruise, you get 1 point.
And there are 5 different levels in the program. There is blue, red, gold, platinum, and diamond. To hit platinum, you need 75 points, which is 75 nights at sea.
Now, 75 nights does sound like a big commitment, but it really isn't, because this is accumulated over time. So it could take you months, it could take you years, it could take you a lifetime. Depends on how fast you want to rack up those points and get all the things that you get for those points.
So let's dive into the perks, the cost, and see if this really all adds up. So there is some awesome perks that come with being a platinum member. Let's do the rundown right now.
Okay, my favorite perk is priority check-in and boarding. Now, this is a dedicated line to you, and when you get to the terminal, which is super awesome because you just fly through that terminal, and guess where you go? My favorite place, straight to the escalator or elevator. There's no going up ramps or anything like that. You just go straight to the top where the ship is.
That's right.
I love it.
That's right. We've been late to a couple cruises lately, and it doesn't matter because if you have priority access, there's a line of, an hour-long wait. You literally just bypass everybody like Wayne's World with your lanyard. You're walking through platinum style, and you literally just walk right through. It takes like 5 minutes to basically get on the ship. It's awesome.
It's really the best. No more sweating going up that ramp with your luggage.
You also get priority debarkation. So on the last day of your cruise, if you need to catch an early flight or you just want to avoid all the crowds altogether, that's another perk that comes with platinum status.
Yeah, and that truly saved our butt the last time, man. We had an early flight, and the meeting point for this priority debarkation was at the theater, and they took us through this whole back route that didn't even cross paths with anyone waiting out there by the elevators or anything like that. We went through a whole secret passage through the ship. It was phenomenal.
We made our flight by like 5 minutes.
Boom! Another awesome perk is the laundry service. Now, that's my favorite because when we get home, all I have to do is open up the suitcase and put all those clean clothes away. I don't have to do laundry too.
Yeah, not only that, we pack a lot less. We bring tiny carry-ons for 7-day cruises because we have laundry service. So we might bring 3 outfits, mix and match, and just get them washed. As soon as we get on the ship, we give them the clothes from the days we were traveling. The next day they show up clean, pressed. It's amazing. So take advantage of that laundry service. It is amazing.
Yes, it is.
Another really cool thing is you get a complimentary beverage anywhere on the ship that you want. Now, it used to just be in the Sea Day brunch that give you a free drink, but they changed it in July of 2024. So now you get that drink anywhere you want on the ship, even those tasty cocktails at Alchemy Bar. So it does save you, $15 to $18 per person. There's 2 of us, so that's $36 right there on one cruise.
And I know you saw that video where I had that blue bubble. That was my complimentary drink.
The ocean blue bubble. If you haven't seen the short, we'll put the link in the description. MELIZZIA had a good time.
I did. 1 drink and whew.
Drink, good, blue.
Popsicle.
CAVEWOMAN.
Now, what's better than getting back to your room after a full day out on the ship and finding a delicious chocolate delight tray? Now, on that tray are some fun items like chocolate covered strawberries and
those little cookie things with
yes,
the chocolate on top.
All kinds of fun stuff on there for you two to enjoy before bed.
One of the coolest things, if you like to save time and you don't like to deal with crowds, is you get a priority line at the main desk. So if you have a problem with your account, you have any questions, there's always a long line, especially on the first day. Well, there's a little stand that's just for Platinum and Diamond members. You can walk right up. You don't even have to wait in line. I don't think I've ever waited in that line. You just walk right up. It saves you a ton of time.
It really does. Also, if you're traveling with anyone under 18, you get $5 arcade credit per cabin.
Wait, you have to be under 18?
I know, we love playing in the arcade.
I want to spank you in skee ball again or air hockey.
Stop it. I'm going to beat him at Miss Pac-Man. Just wait.
We're going to do a consequence in the Luminosa.
Yes, we are.
Alaska. It's going to be cold.
I'm going to say something with a crab.
You're going down.
No. One thing I appreciate is that you get a couple of gifts. Now, you get the special pin for Platinum and Diamond, and also they leave you a nice little gift in your room. Now, the last 2 trips, we got some packing cubes, so we are set. So each little set has 3 per package, and now we've got like 6 each, which is amazing because who doesn't like having their clothes organized so that you can easily, when you unpack your luggage, you can just put these right in a drawer.
Yeah, they rotate the gifts, and we just happen to be on a bunch of cruises lately, so I'm sure we'll get a hat, maybe a sweater or something coming up, but the packing cubes are awesome, and we look forward to the gifts that are coming in the future.
I know, I can't wait to see what the Luminosa has, because it's a different type of cruise because it's going somewhere cold, and we always go somewhere tropical-ish.
Now, the best perk of all, in my opinion, is the Platinum and Diamond VIFP private party. This thing is crazy.
Off the charts.
Just getting that party is worth the status because what it is, it's a big party that they throw typically in the theater, and it's an hour of open bar. Not only do they have waiters and waitresses walking around with drinks and you can just grab them off the tray, but you can walk up to the bar and order whatever you want. No restrictions. They don't say, oh, you can't order that. They let you get whatever you want, which is really cool.
And they have someone on stage playing music for about a half an hour, and then after that they start showing videos of the history of all the ships that Carnival has. Also, you get to meet the staff, which is so amazing. Take pictures with the captain or whoever you want to take pictures with.
Yeah, it's really cool. The cruise director hosts the whole thing, so we've had a great time. That perk alone is worth reaching platinum status. Now let's talk about the best way to get there. If you're trying to achieve platinum or diamond status, obviously you got to go on some cruises. Now that can get very, very expensive. We know how much it is to cruise, but it doesn't have to be. You'd be shocked at what we pay on the cruises that we go on, and the answer is pretty much 0. Carnival is really, really generous on their offers. Now, the way you get those offers, you probably already know what I'm going to say, but this happens in the casino. Now, I know you're gonna say, well, you spent the money in the casino that you would have spent on the cruise, but that's not actually true because there are certain games that you can play that I'm gonna recommend that you can usually play pretty even. You might lose a little bit, but nothing close to what it would cost you to go on these cruises.
And a lot of times we break even and we come home with the same money that we went with.
Exactly.
So what'd we pay? 0 for the cabin except for port fees and taxes, and of course the tips, which who wouldn't want to tip these amazing people? They do so much for us on the ship.
So what you need to do is you need to go to the casino and you need to play a little bit. Now, the fastest way to earn points towards those free cruises is a slot machine. Now, slots don't have the best odds, but you just want to be careful. You don't want to just sit there and blow your whole bankroll the first night. You want to sit at a machine like we do. We usually play together. We'll put 20 bucks in each or something and play play for a while, see if it hits, and if not, we'll move on to something else.
Yes.
Also, blackjack's a really good way to do it. You can usually play pretty even in blackjack, so it's a great way to earn those points quickly. You can do the video machine, or you can play at the table, but you're gonna definitely gain points faster on the machine.
So, babe, how many points is it that we need to accumulate so that we start getting these offers?
If you hit in the 1,500 point range when you're on your cruise, you're definitely going to get offers for free interior cabins. There's no question about that.
And that includes free drinks in the casino. Now, if you don't drink alcohol, that still includes all the soda and water that you want, you know? So that you know, can be a big savings on, you know, a beverage package. You may not have to get it because you can just go to the casino and get your beverage that you want.
You're gonna pay $500 or $600 for the beverage package if that's what you get, but we don't need it because we get free drinks in the casino. And actually, I have this sitting right here. On our last cruise,
Yee!
I actually got a free offer for a free ocean room and drinks on the entire ship.
Oh my.
Not just in the casino, but on the ship too. Now that is, you know, that's like a $1,500 value right there. Now,
one of my favorites is that Alchemy bar.
Yeah,
that's a lot of fun.
We'll spend some time there now that we have free.
Exactly.
But anyways, if you want to, it's the easiest way to go on more cruises is to go in the casino, spend a little money. They're gonna send you free offers, and you can go cruise. You know, you could cruise every week if you really wanted to because, you know, it's technically free. But, you know, we've been cruising, you know, we cruise at least once a month, and that's going to be moving up to a couple times a month here pretty quickly.
Yeah, so you get that free cabin. All you do is pay for port fees and taxes and tips, you know, for your people, which is super important.
Make sure to tip those
so hard.
Yeah, make sure to tip those dudes in the casino. Now, they say that gratuities are included and everything. No, these guys, if you tip them just $1 or $2, they will be right there every time you walk in the casino.
They know exactly what you like right when you walk in. They know you by name. I get everybody's name, and they know my name, which is perfect.
Sometimes you want to go where everybody knows your name.
All right, you know, cheers. That's me. Right?
And they're, oh man.
I don't know the words.
Now, if you're not really a gambler, the other way to get there quickly is to book longer cruises. Now, you get a point for every night. So instead of booking three-night cruises, book a 7 to 10 day cruise. You're gonna accumulate all those points in 1 week or 10 days. So longer cruises is the key. Another thing you definitely want to keep an eye on is your account on Carnival. Make sure they're tracking your points correctly. Now, I've had a situation where a cruise wasn't showing up underneath my account. So I found the cruise from my confirmation and submitted to them, and they fixed it, no problem. It only took them a day. But make sure to keep an eye on that and track your points. It's just like any other goal. If you want to get there, you're going to get there, but you got to make sure that they're tracking on their end as well.
Yes.
So was chasing the Platinum perks actually worth it?
100%.
Yeah.
I loved chasing these perks.
Yeah, there's no question. The perks are definitely worth it. Now, not only the perks you end up getting when you get to this status, but it's the whole journey. We've been on so many awesome cruises, and we met so many cool people. We've been to so many awesome destinations. So just like in life, it's not about the destination or whatever, it's about the journey. And I feel the same way because now we have these perks. Is even that much more special. But I'm just glad we've had the opportunity to go on these amazing cruises together.
Yes, oh my gosh, it's an adventure every single time, and I love these memories.
But now that we hit Platinum, we're going diamond, baby.
Diamond! Shine bright like a diamond.
All right, that's the scoop on the Platinum perks on a Carnival cruise. Now, if you're chasing the Platinum status, or if you're already Platinum or Diamond, please comment below. Let us know where you're at in the process, or if you have any tips or tricks that would help the community. We want to hear from you.
Yes.
We're learning something new every day, and we want to learn with you. So please do that. If you found the video helpful, please like and subscribe.
Give it a thumbs up.
Yeah, when you hit the like button, it shoots the algorithm, and our videos just jump.
Yes.
So you guys have been doing that lately. We really appreciate it. We are now over 2,000 subscribers.
Woo!
Thank you very much, everybody. And we have our second group cruise coming up September from Orlando. So if you're in the Florida area, we'd love for you to join us.
Yes, please. It's not too late.
Yeah, we just got back from our first group cruise in April on the Frenzy from Los Angeles.
What a great group of people. Thank you guys so much.
Yeah, so we had about 20 people, so it was great for our first group cruise. Our goal now, remember, is to fill an entire ship with just subscribers from this channel. So if you want to get in on the action, just go to rockintheboat.club, put in your email address, stay informed, and jump on a group cruise. What we didn't announce, which we should right now, if you made it to the end of the video, all you special people, you're going to find this out right now. What we're doing now is if you come on a group cruise with us, you are put into a special pool where you are eligible to win a free future group cruise with us. So as long as you come on the group cruise, you're gonna be in that pot for, we're gonna draw somebody's name and take them on a future group cruise. And it's just gonna be something that's gonna continue growing.
And that's a free cabin. Who
Yeah.
doesn't want that?
Yeah, so it's a free perk. Just join us on one of our group cruises. You'll see why it's the best party at sea.
And remember, keep cruising, keep having fun, and keep rocking the boat, baby. Woo!
Rock it!